Good day, I'm Roy Allen, Deputy Warden for All Saints, in charge of the restoration project. We're standing outside the gate of the construction site here at All Saints. The purpose of our video today is to get you inside this gate and have a look around the outside, on the roof, and inside of our church building. Follow me and we'll go inside. You're looking at the outside of the organ room. The window on the left and the center were completely demolished during the fire investigation with heavy machinery. They have now been restored. You can compare that work to the window on the right, which was not taken down. The brickwork that's been undertaken is exemplary. We have some very skilled people working on our building. Exterior masonry has been completed as per the restoration. We have quotations from the masonry contractor to look at further restoration work. It totals approximately $70,000, which we can do in various parts, picking the most critical areas first. We are having access holes cut into the temporary roof, and this will enable the construction of the roof trusses. We will leave the temporary roof structure here to act as a work platform. The roof will be built, and once it is in place, the temporary roof will be removed. We're standing on the roof, the temporary roof above the chancel. You're looking at the north wall of the church. Again, with the cleaning, you can see the different color of brick, the red and yellow brick. We will need to do some further tinting to bring that up to its yellow color.
Oh yeah.
Looking at this arch shows some of the new brickwork which has been done, the repairs that have been ongoing. This is an example of the new brick that has been fabricated and installed. We have some very skilled people working on our building. Interior of the end gable wall, you can see the archway that's been cleaned. Similar cleaning on the south wall. The brick is discolored still from the fire, but we will be able to tint that to allow it to look like the original yellow color. Base of the bell tower, standing on the roof, you can see the large beams that were fitted directly into the tower itself. The new roof trusses will be installed and will be taking the weight that you see these temporary jacks are taking right now. The oak doors on the front of the church survived remarkably well and will simply require refinishing. Okay, we're entering the church from the south door. We're in the narthex area right now. You can see the extent of the fire damage here, but you can also see hidden below the paint very attractive natural finish on the wood of the narthex screen. Our intention is to restore that to the natural color, not paint over it. Of course, this area has not had the cleaning that you will see in a moment inside the building. The leather-wrapped doors that you see directly in front of us right now will be replaced with glass doors to allow more light into the building and also provide a means for the sides people to see who's coming in and out of our building during worship service. We can get a really good example of before and after. What you're looking at right now is the west wall, the side that faces the medical building, prior to the cleaning. And you can see the extent of the smoke and fire damage on the brickwork. As Tim pans north, we can see the cleaned areas, the arch to the left of the chancel area. A very interesting feature is the red and yellow brick combined. Wainscoting that formerly was here had to be removed. It had suffered rot from the backside. We will replace this. We had hoped to retain it because it was thought to be old growth timber, but it was not salvageable. As Tim pans up over the window, you see the very interesting red brick highlighted outlines. All of this, of course, hidden by the paint that was on top of the brickwork. As Tim pans to the right, we'll see the east wall, which has been completely cleaned. It is quite impressive. Looking into the chancel and sanctuary right now, which has been cleaned, although the bricks are still discolored. That large plastic sheet is the organ room, the opening to the organ room. The chancel area, which you will see momentarily, will be extended about 3 feet southward beyond its original location. That means about 6 feet out from the brick wall. This will provide us greater space and flexibility in our chancel area.
Plexiglass.
Yeah, that's the plexiglass room. Again, you can see the red, single course red brick detail that was hidden away under the paint. You can see the door frame has been cleaned back to original wood. This will be stained and properly finished. balcony railing will be replaced with the same type of woodwork and a appropriate glass top to bring the height to code requirements. We have asked that the heavy wooden 2x4 railing that was at the top of the glass be replaced with something less distracting, sight lines. We hope this video has provided you with a good insight to the extent of the work that has been ongoing and is completed. We will make further videos like this to show you the next phases of the restoration project. Thank you very much.